Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm headed to work. I have a morning of surgeries, but before I go, I have to pick up someone special. Today I'm going to be doing cataract surgery for my dad. My dad has always been a very simple man. He's always lived below his means. When we were growing up, while his friends would buy like really nice cars, my dad just wanted something simple. A minivan, a Chrysler, just something simple. And so he's not demanding, which makes my job easier. So I can give my dad any lens implant. It doesn't matter if it's a Eyehance, an Aspire, monofocal, a toric lens because he does have some astigmatism. My dad's worn glasses all his life, and so I feel any lens implant I give him, he would be content with. But I feel like spoiling him, I feel like he deserves the best. And he does really enjoy driving. He tends to take long road trips sometimes. Like when he wants to go visit family in Chicago, sometimes he'll drive. And so I feel that quality vision is the most important thing when picking a lens implant for my dad. Although he would be okay with a monofocal or toric lens implant, I'm going to give him the light adjustable lens. I just feel that although you can achieve great vision with a monofocal or a toric, the likelihood of achieving excellent vision with the light adjustable lens is higher. And sure, it does require more time. It requires more office visits, but I love seeing my dad, and he's retired and he doesn't live too far away. And so he can come a few extra times in order for me to give him the best possible vision for the rest of his life. And he deserves it. I've always had a very good relationship with my dad. I think part of the reason I went into ophthalmology was because of him. Growing up, he was a pediatrician. He immigrated from Syria after medical school and did a pediatrics residency at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. And watching him as I was growing up, I always saw that he was happy. He really loved helping people. And so because of that positive image, I always had in the back of my mind the possibility that I would go into medicine. When I went to college though, I was really into tech, gadgets, tech. So I studied computer science. My older brother was doing computer science. So I thought maybe I study computer science and that would be really fun. But I found myself not interacting with people at all. I was in the computer lab by myself looking at a screen, never seeing anybody else. I really didn't want that to be my profession. I wanted to do something where I can interact and make a big impact on people's lives. And so I went into medicine. And it wasn't until med school where I was on a mission trip in the Dominican Republic. And every time someone came that could not see, we would put their name on a list. And this list was for the ophthalmologists that were coming soon. They were going to be coming in a couple weeks. And we were told that these ophthalmologists, they're going to take all these people that couldn't see and they're going to fix their vision. And so that I found really intriguing. They were like real life superheroes going in to the Dominican to fix vision. So that really piqued my interest in ophthalmology. And then at my med school, I did some rotations in ophthalmology and the department was fantastic. And so they had a positive influence on me. So that's how I went into ophthalmology.
Bismillah, توكلنا على الله.
All right, Baba.
Love you, Habibi.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
No.
Do you trust me?
Absolutely. More than anybody else.
Inshallah bisalami. We can only do our best and the rest is tawakkul, right? All right. Here we go.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun.
I'm excited for you, Baba.
I'm excited to see how I'm going to see after that. I'm excited.
Ahlan, Baba.
I
I love you.
love you too. Allah yahmeek.
Inshallah, today we're going to take care of your right eye and we're going to make sure, inshallah, everything goes very, very well. It's cataract surgery. So we're going to take out your cloudy lens and we're going to put a lens implant in its place.
Okay.
We numb your eye completely so you don't have any pain.
Okay.
You may feel my hands around like your forehead and cheek and stuff like that, but your eye shouldn't have any pain. And then we're going to give you some sedation, some relaxation to be comfortable, okay? 99.5% of the time, things go smooth without any problems or anything unexpected. But all surgeries have risk. But I don't trust anyone as much as myself to take care of you. Okay, I'm not perfect, but we'll do the best job possible, and inshallah, Allah gives us the best outcome. Okay? So you watched a lot of the surgery videos already.
I already did. I can probably do the surgery. So much.
Good. And then we're going to be doing the light adjustable lens. The light adjustable lens, we can fine tune it after surgery. And I know you've been wearing glasses your whole life. And I know you don't mind wearing glasses, you know, so he could have been perfectly happy with a monofocal, a toric, but I want the highest chance of sharp vision. And so I think every patient deserves that. And so I want you to get the light adjustable lens. And then a couple weeks after surgery, after you're done healing, we're going to shine a light on the lens implant to fine tune your vision. Okay? With this kind of lens implant, we're going to target far vision. You most likely will be able to see a computer still very well without glasses, but for small up close print, you'll need magnifiers, readers for that. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions at all?
No.
All right, we are ready to go back. So keep hands in at all times. Hands inside the vehicle.
It's almost like Disneyland.
All
Almost
right.
as fun.
Go, 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 go. Gotcha. All right. So, that's all.
How many kids are in medicine?
Me, and I have a brother and sister. My brother is an internal medicine doctor, and my sister's a radiologist.
Nice.
Yeah.
My brother's internal medicine, New York City.
Oh, that's cool.
My sister is a DMD dentist in Kansas.
Oh, that's cool. That's
Document
awesome.
dentistry, that's where all the money's at.
Yeah.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كافها يا عين صاد. ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله رب رضيا يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا قال رب اجعل لي آية قال آيتك ألا تكلم الناس 3 ليال سويا فخرج على قومه من المحراب فأوحى إليهم أن سبحوا بكرة وعشيا يا يحيى خذ الكتاب بقوة وآتيناه الحكم صبيا وحنانا من لدنا وزكاة وكان تقيا وبرا بوالديه ولم يكن جبارا عصيا وسلام عليه يوم ولد ويوم يموت ويوم يبعث حيا
واذكر في الكتاب مريم إذ انتبذت من أهلها مكانا شرقيا فاتخذت من دونهم حجابا فأرسلنا إليها روحنا فتمثل لها بشرا سويا قالت إني أعوذ بالرحمن منك إن كنت تقيا.
It went perfectly. I love it. I love it. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. As-salamu, Baba.
الله يسلمك الله يسلمك الله يعطيك العافية.
How do you feel?
الله يسلمك سياد.
Allah يسلمك.
الله يحميك يا رب.
Ameen, ameen, ameen. So fun fact, okay? Today I did your eye procedure. Tell them what you did for me.
While you preparing me to do that, I remember the day that I was your obstetrician and I delivered you.
My dad delivered me. I was delivered at home.
Right.
So now I delivered your cataract
Yeah,
out.
We are even now.
Yeah. Now you're gonna go home and you're just gonna relax. Okay? You're just gonna relax. And then I'll see you later. My father-in-law will take you home.
Can watch TV or no?
Yeah. Go for it. Relax. Okay? Today that eye's gonna be a little bit blurry, but each day it's gonna improve a lot. Okay? All right. Very good. Bye, guys.
شكرا حبيبي.
I love you, Baba.
Love you.
Fortunately, my dad's surgery went really well. My father-in-law took him home, and then I had clinic afterwards. So now that the day's done, I'm just driving over to my dad's house to check on him.
I'm leaving home for the coastline. Someplace.
All right. So how are you doing, Baba?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing good. Alhamdulillah.
Is your eye hurting you?
No,
How's your vision so far?
much better.
Good.
A lot
good.
better.
And his eye is still dilated. The first day you get out of surgery, your pupil will stay dilated. So you may see some halos around lights at night. You may have a gritty sensation, a scratchy sensation from the incisions, but it goes away very quickly. So that's normal. And then you sleep with your eye protected, with the shield covering it. You could sleep with these as well. Anything that serves as a barrier so that you don't accidentally rub your eye. Exactly, just like that. Very good. All right, Baba, I'll see you tomorrow in the office, okay?
Thank you.
All right, love you. So today we are day one after my dad's cataract surgery. We did his right eye with the light adjustable lens plus. And he has about a diopter and a half of astigmatism. And so that we're going to clear out after he's done healing. But on day one, he's seeing about 20/30 far away. He pinholes to 20/20. That shows the potential vision that the eye has, whether it's with glasses or, in his case, the light delivery for the light adjustable lens. So he's seeing 20/30 and he has a potential of 20/20, which we're going to do in a couple weeks after he's done healing. Tell us, how was the surgery yesterday? You didn't have any
I
pain?
didn't have any discomfort at all.
Good.
As a matter of fact, those eye drops sting a little bit more than the surgery.
Yeah. How's your vision today compared to before?
A lot better.
Good.
I was amazed how clear it is in the right eye.
Good. And were you comfortable driving here today?
Yeah.
Right.
Extremely.
There you go. Before, your right eye was your worst eye,
Yeah.
right? And how is it now with your two eyes?
So yesterday before surgery, pre-op, this one was clear for me. This one was cloudy. Now this is clear. This is cloudy.
Yeah, it's all relative.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at the eye. So I'm going to bring this forward. This is the day one after. I'll show you the cornea. Overall cornea looks pretty good. Perfect, just like that. Now, this is your new eye. Let's show the other eye. Good, keep looking towards me. Mild still on the cataract. Perfect. Beautiful. Alhamdulillah, salamtak.
الله يسلمك.
You know?
الله يرضى عليك وييسر امورك ويحفظك.
I mean, so I'm going to go over instructions so you guys know what's needed to be done in the first week. So for the first week, avoid rubbing your eye. It's important to use the eye drops. So you have the eye drops. The eye drops consist of an antibiotic and two anti-inflammatories. One's a steroid and one's an NSAID. So you're going to follow the instruction sheet on those. And when you sleep at night, I want you to protect your eye, to cover it, usually with a shield and a piece of tape, just so you don't accidentally rub the eye. And then in terms of showering, for the first 2 days, shower neck down. You can wipe and clean around your eye, that's fine, but I just don't want tap water to go in the eye because the tap water can have contaminants in it, okay? Light activity is fine, driving's fine, watching TV, using your computer, I'm not worried about any of that, okay? Just keep your eye clean, use the drops, try not to rub it. And then anytime you're exposed to UV light, you need to wear one of the glasses, whether it's the clear one is fine or the dark ones are fine. They all protect from the UV. Any questions? All right. I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you, Baba. Oh. Ameen. Ameen.